This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We're looking at Charlotte's and Shadow. One puppy litter. Yay! That puppy's going next week.
All right, let's see. Look it.
Let me see him. That's a nice
so
boy.
lovable.
Oh, gray and black. Oh, he looks like a charcoal to me. Let me see his nice blue eyes. Oh, I think he's the handsomest dog. One of the handsomest dogs I've ever seen.
He just wants to play. He just wants to play.
Is that Sister Patrol over there? No?
No.
I want you to hold her up too. Yeah, this is my girl right here. Beautiful.
Let me fix your blankie.
My other assistant. Okay, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, Sister Patrol.
Alright, here's the other flying nun.
Oh, there's the other one. Yay! It's like a habit, right? See the ears? I never seen ears like that. You're so pretty.
Yep.
We
She's
love
pretty.
you guys.
Alright, good night. Have a good night. Good night. Have a good night, my puppies. Good night. I know. I love you guys. I know I love you. I love you. I know I love you guys too. I love you too. Little scratchy backs. Is that a little one eating?
Yep.
You just want to play. You just want to play. You want to play. All right, good night. I'm going to go.
Okay, this is
Good
Rich
night, I love
Bowers and my assistant Kelly Bowers and my other assistant Owen Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Signing off.
What, honey?